I still have CEO asking me that is AI a bubble? I have to say it's not a bubble, definitely not. Physical AI is reshaping the future of industrial automation, building a more resilient supply chain in the complex world. The speed of evolution on physical AI is moving so fast, but technologies are centering around few players. As an industrial enterprise, we have to be part of the game. I'm Mei-Jung Chen, and you are not hallucinating. I think physical AI is getting a lot of interest or excitement is because it's the first time you can see the AI start to have intersection with the real world. It's not something just sitting in front of your computer. It can actually go into our day-to-day life and operate differently. And it also is a game changer for our industrial world. What it used to be goal-based automation, having one set of equipment doing particular automated task. Now you have physical AI. It actually comes with not just a hand and the eyes, but it also comes with the brain. And the brain part is actually where it gets interesting because you can have the same sets of hardware, you just retrain it to do different things. And then you can actually reuse the investment and adapt it to many, many different scenarios. When you turn on the physical AI or the robotic arm on the production line, you can adapt to new product evolution for the next generation. Just simply change what is in the brain of the robotic arm. If we imagine how it would be when we need to do more onshoring with the current supply chain complications, there are a lot of markets that there are labor shortages and you will not be able to staff enough operators to do these jobs in and out, day-to-day, the same thing. So using physical AI, it actually can accelerate and then make all this onshoring supply chain possible. These AIs are staying for good. So you cannot use your old legacy IT infrastructure and trying to adapt to the AI world. You need to rethink about what are the latest and greatest tech stack I should have in the AI platform. At the same time, through every single AI agent usages, we're going to create more tokens, and these tokens are crucial assets to the company. So how do I capture these data tokens in one platform that can further train my AI agent to be smarter over time? How AI can reshape the way we operate. So it will change your working capital. It will change your CapEx investment. Moreover, we also should look at the strategic impact. Looking at different companies that they really invest themselves and make the claim that they want to make an AI-first organization. Look at their stock price. Those value that you can gain from the equity market also is immense. So don't look at AI as an expense, as a cost. It's an investment for the future. It's a real asset that everyone should build.